Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a cushion cover on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So here we can just open TEMU. So here I will search for cushion cover. Okay. So here I can see a cushion cover. Okay. So I will just go with this cover. So it will cost you $4.94. Okay, so it's come with a different color variants also. Okay, so you can just select the color variant, and then you have the customer rating of 4.8 star. Okay, so it's very good, and in detail we can see it's a washing machine wash. Then you have the patterns also. Then it is 100% made of velvet. Okay, you can see the quality is good and it is uh, very good to buy. So to buy you have to click on add to cart, then you have to click on buy, then follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a cushion cover on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.